Okay guys, I have some news for you. Enough of these vinyl wrapping videos for now. As you guys may have noticed, or may have not, I'm not sure, but I have no hood scoop. I am hood scoopless. As you guys know, my hood scoop is already wrapped in carbon fiber. I was placing the hood scoop onto the hood just to see how it would look with the new color that I picked. And later that night, I decided to go out and get some food. Didn't bolt down the hood scoop, completely forgot. Was about halfway down the street. Next thing you know, I see something fly off my hood. Something dings off the top of my roof. Just scuffed my nice new roof wrap. Write a note or something. Just don't forget. Don't be like me. Don't make my mistake. And I was like, oh, I know exactly what that was. That was my hood scoop. Unfortunately, there was a long median, so I couldn't do a U-turn right away. So I had to go down the street all the way to the next available U-turn spot. Finally got a U-turn. Was heading back. And all I see is a bunch of traffic going down the road I just came, and the road that my hood scoop just flew off of. And I was in shock. I do have a video from that night. I'll play it right now. And this is just me, just in disbelief that my hood scoop just flew off and just ran over into a million little pieces. Currently doing some U-turns because my hood scoop decided to fly off. What in the hell, man? Where did it go? Be in a million pieces. Maybe it's in the planter. Oh man. Hopefully you're in the bushes. Man, oh man, oh man. Well, the good news is I think this might call for a new STI hood scoop. Who knows? One more switch back and call it a loss. We're gonna call it a loss if I can't find it on this turnaround. I couldn't even find one piece to keep, and just to keep as a souvenir. I just couldn't find a piece. It was bittersweet because that just meant that I needed to get a new hood scoop, and this is the perfect opportunity to get something a little different, and that's what I did. So check out what I got. It's from AIT Racing. I'm pretty proud of this product. A little hint, this is my first carbon fiber piece, official real carbon fiber, real. Not a wrap, no gimmick, no impersonation, no fake carbon fiber. This is the real deal, and I'm pretty happy with the way this thing looks. So check it out. Very carefully pull this baby out. Here we go, peeps. Here it is, man. It is actually part of the older style 0405 STI hood scoop. It's definitely a lot beefier than the stock 0607 WRX. But I'm very happy with this carbon product here. It is perfect. It's really nice looking carbon fiber. You actually have the mesh also in there. They also threw in some nice hardware to go with this awesome hood scoop. So I have been waiting to mount this on the car for far too long. Pretty happy about this. I'm very excited. So let's get this on the car and check it out. All right, let's get this baby in place and see how she looks. I'll just set it on there, and definitely won't be driving my car like this, but this is kind of how it went. I went, oh, let's see what my hood scoop's gonna look like with my new wrap color. Place it on here. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Fly away, bye-bye hood scoop. Now we got this nice, beautiful piece in its place, and I'm very excited about this. I mean, just take a look at it. It's just that much better. Freaking sexy, gotta say. Comes with these nice threaded holes. Pretty simple mounting. It's cool how they made this one universal to fit the 0607 models, because if you were to buy just the 0405 style, this wouldn't be a direct bolt-on to the 0607. So AIT actually made their own to make it work with the 0607 models, and I'm very thankful for that. Okay, let's very carefully get this thing mounted up. So we got 8 bolts, 8 Allen head bolts that the kit came with, 8 washers and 8 crush washers. We're gonna do the bolt, crush washer, and then your regular washer here. That way you don't go too tight into the carbon and potentially crack it. So it actually comes with its own Allen head wrench, which is very convenient. Thank you. The threaded holes are a little tough. They're a little tough. These screws are pretty tight in there. It's a little sketchy because I think I'm gonna crack the carbon on the other side, but I guess it's just that tough carbon that I'm screwing through. I don't know if I should have put some Loctite or what, but let's go ahead and take a look at the final product here. The official hood scoop of 06 WRX, dude. Debut right now. Drum roll, please. Boom! Damn, that thing's meaty. Thing's beefy. Very excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. It's just so pretty. I need to do some research and find out how to maintain carbon fiber, keep it looking really fresh. But yeah, there's the mesh right there. It'll save all the leaves and bugs and whatever else from going into the engine bay. That has been a hassle over the years, but say no more. We do have some awesome chicken coop wire. The thing is really pretty. I can just stare at this all day. So that's a wrap. That's the hood scoop. Looking really nice. I just wanted to make this video real quick, just to quit hiding it from you. If you guys are interested, be sure to contact AIT Racing. Check out their products, see what they have to offer, and maybe they have something for your car. So I'm very excited about this. I hope it holds up, and I hope it is going to be a solid product. But only time will tell. So I'm going to go ahead and stare at this thing for a while. You guys take it easy, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.